Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download a view-only video file from Google Drive. So, let's dive in. Open the view-only video. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the video player. Select Open in New Window and wait for the new tab to load. Now, press F12 or Shift plus Control plus I to open the developer tools. Then, after that, navigate to the Network tab. In the filter bar, type MIME equals video. Next, click on the setting icons of the video player. Adjust the quality settings to the highest resolution available. Then, look for the largest file size in the Network tab. Right-click on the file and select Copy URL. After that, paste the copied URL into Notepad or any text editor. Next, remove everything after the last letter up to RBUF and press Ctrl plus F to open the find bar. Search for range and delete everything from range up to the first and symbol. This time, let's download the video. Copy the modified URL and paste it into a new tab. Hit enter and your video should start downloading. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded a view-only video from Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.